How to do iOS to iOS data transfer. You'll need both the iPhones placed side by side and both devices should have enough battery. Your older iPhone should be connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Your new iPhone must have the latest or equal iOS version than the older one. If your new device is already set up, then follow this step. On your new iPhone, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Continue, and then erase iPhone. Your phone will restart now. Lock and unlock your old iPhone. A message will pop up, then click Continue. Scan with old iPhone. Click on Set Up for Me. Now enter the old iPhone's passcode. Click on Continue. Complete the following steps. Click on Continue and follow the steps. The transfer process has started. It's completed now. Enjoy your new iPhone with all the data transferred.